Umadevi Children's Academy President, Learn from Home, Class 3rd, GK. I'm Anubhav, and today we're gonna learn about largest, highest, longest, tallest things in the India. Welcome student, how are you all? I hope you are doing great at home. So today we're gonna learn about largest, longest, highest, and tallest things in India. Can you tell me which is the longest river of India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ganga River is the longest river of India with a length of 2510 kilometers. Can you guess which is the longest tunnel of India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The Atal Tunnel is the longest highway tunnel in India. The 9.2 km 5.6 mile long tunnel connects Manali to Lahaul Spiti Valley throughout the year. Can you guess where is the longest hanging bridge in India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Indian Army built the longest suspension bridge over Indus River in Leh in just 40 days in 2019, and the bridge is named as Maitri Bridge. The bridge is 260 feet long. Which is the longest dam in India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hirakund. Hirakund is the longest eastern dam in the world and stands across the mighty river Mahanadi in the Sambalpur region of Odisha. It was the first major multi-purpose river valley project after India's independence in 1947. This human-made structure is located 15 km north of Sambalpur. Its majesty are revealed by the sparkling water of the river it stands on, with an area of 1,33,090 square kilometers. Dam is more than twice the area of Sri Lanka. Where is the longest corridor in India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The Rameshwaram Temple. The Rameshwaram Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Shiva, located on the Rameshwaram Island in the state of Tamil Nadu. It is also one of the 12 Jyotirling temples. Guess which state has largest population? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India with estimated population of 23.79 crores in 2019. Uttar Pradesh accounts for 17.35% of total country population. Which state has the largest area? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India in terms of area, which covers 342,239 km square of land area. Which is the largest district? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kutch is the largest district which is in Gujarat, and it covers an area of 45,652 km square. Which is the largest city? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mumbai is the largest city of Maharashtra and the most populous city in India with a population of 21.3 million as of 2016. With the largest desert in India, you got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thar Desert. Thar Desert, also known as the Great India Desert, is a large arid region in the northwest part of Indian subcontinent that covers an area of 200,000 km square or 77,000 square mile. Which is the largest delta of India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sundarbans. Sundarbans, the area occupied by Sundarban Delta is approximately 105,641 kilometers square. Which is the largest lake in India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Vula Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India and lies in the Kashmir Valley, 40 km northwest of Srinagar city in the northwest of India, with a size of 189 square kilometer. Which is the highest waterfall in India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kunchikal Falls. It is located in Nidagdu village near Mashtikate in Shimoga district of state Karnataka. Kunchikala Falls casts down rocky boulders and total height of fall is 455 meters, which is 1493 feet according to World Waterfall Database. Which is the highest mountain of India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga, also called as Kanchenjunga, is the third highest mountain in the world and rises with an elevation of 8,586 meter or 28,169 feet. Which is the highest gateway of India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Buland Darwaza, or the Door of Victory, was built in 1602 after that by Mughal Emperor Akbar to commemorate the victory over Gujarat, or to celebrate the victory over Gujarat. Which is the highest award in India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of the Republic of India, instituted in 1954. The award is conferred in recognition of exceptional service performance of the highest order, without distinction of race, occupation, position, or sex, which means it is given to the most excellent human being in India. For example, Sachin Tendulkar and many more get the Bharat Ratnas. Which is the highest tower in India? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar, also spelled as Qutub Minar or Qutub Minar. It is a minaret and victory tower and form a part of Qutub complex, the UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Mehrauli area of New Delhi, India. The height of Qutub Minar is 72.5 meter, making it is the tallest minaret in the world, built of bricks. Can you name the top 5 tallest structures of India? You got 20 seconds to name them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. INS Quetta Bombman or Large Mast is the highest structure in India with a height of 471 meters, which was built in 2013. Rameshwaram TV Tower is the second highest structure in India with a height of 323 meters. It is built in 1995. Polaris Roy is the third highest structure in India with a height of 320 meters. It is an unfinished skyscraper. Faisalka TV Tower is the fourth highest structure in India with a height of 305 meters, which was built in 2007. INS Quetta Bombman or Central Mast is the fifth highest structure in India with a height of 301 meters. This was built in 1989. That's all for the today. And do down the homework, and the homework is you have to learn all the largest, longest, highest and tallest thing in India which we studied just now. Thank you. Have a great day.